When an insurance adjuster shows up after water damage, they're not working for you. They're working for the insurance company. That doesn't make them bad people, but it means their goals and yours aren't always the same. Here in Springville, we see this play out all the time. Adjusters underestimate the scope of damage, call things pre-existing when they're not, or rush through inspections and miss what's hiding behind walls and under floors. The best thing you can do? Document everything before the adjuster arrives. Photos, videos, receipts, a written log, all of it. And don't be afraid to be present during the inspection. Ask questions and push back if the numbers don't add up. You also have the right to bring your own restoration professional to the inspection. At Prime Restoration LLC, we've helped homeowners across Utah County navigate this process. And having someone with technical knowledge in the room changes everything. You don't have to accept the first offer. Know your rights and protect your home.